Y'all know on this channel we love a good deal. This right here was one of the best deals. So if you read the title, you already know what's going on. We're gonna unbox and do my nails with one of the cheapest nail kits I found on Amazon. I'm saying one of the cheapest because I know that there is one kit that's cheaper than this that I found on Amazon, but it was going to come to me later than this one was going to come to me, so I just went on to buy this one so I can get the video to you guys sooner. So I paid a total of $13.69 for this kit, and that was a deal. I know they took a little bit of money off, but it wasn't that much money off. So this is, it's called Nail Tips Glue Gel Kit. Basically Gel X kit. If you're familiar with Gel X, you already know what I'm talking about. If not, I'm gonna unbox this to show you guys the quality of everything, what comes in it, if it's worth even buying. So this is how my nails turned out. When I tell you, I was floored at how well, first of all, the tips flush to my cuticles, all of that stuff. But you know what, let's just go ahead and get into it. I'm not even gonna ramble on anymore because I really could ramble with this one because it's just that good for a heck of a good price. So if you're interested in that, make sure you keep on watching, and let's go ahead and do our notification shout outs. So these are the first 3 people who comment on my last video, so thank you guys so much for subscribing and turning your post notifications on. And if you would like a shout out, all you have to do is turn on your post notifications and make sure you're one of the first 3 people to comment on my videos. That way you'll get a shout out. Okay, let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so first of all, cute box. I know that really doesn't matter too much, but I mean, I like a cute box. I like good packaging, so I'm gonna go ahead and acknowledge that. But you open it up and this is all you get. It doesn't come with a lot, but it comes with just enough. So first off, we have a packet of the cover tips, and they are in almond shape. I didn't see any other shape they offered for this particular kit. I'm good with almond, so that's what I got here. And then we have the actual UV nail lamp, and then the gel glue. They call it the 6-in-1 nail gel glue. And then that's everything that comes in the kit. The only thing I wish they would have had is at least a nail file. But for this price, I feel like this is enough. I feel like if you had nothing to do soft gel nails, then this is a pretty good start. So basically everything else that you would need is a nail file and some actual gel polish, so you can paint on the cover tips. But I'm gonna put everything that I use to style these nails in the description down below. So it does come with instructions on how to apply the cover tips here. Yeah, let's go ahead and prep our nails and get into it. So like I told you guys, you're gonna need a nail file. So we have a nail file here. My file is from Cart. I want to lightly file off the natural shine from all of my nails. As I'm doing that, I think off camera I went on and shaped up my nails if I feel like I needed to. I didn't do it for all of them because my nails are pretty short at this point in my life. They're nubs. And then I'm gonna go ahead and push back my cuticles with a cuticle pusher, just like that. And then this UV nail lamp. So it comes with a UV nail lamp. It doesn't come with an actual wall piece. So of course you'll need to provide that yourself. So these are the cover tips. They give you a good bit, so you can do your nails with this kit multiple times and not spend that extra money at the salon. And you know we live for that. And as you can already see, it looks like it's kind of buffed out on the inside of the cover tip already. And in my opinion, it just helps adhere the cover tip to your nail a little bit easier. And I'm just going to size up the cover tip to my nails, and I'm going to do that to all of the nails so we can just have that laid out and ready to go. And you just pop them off. They come off very easily. And now we can get out our gel. They call it glue gel. And I'm just gonna do 1 coat of this on each of my fingers. And so you can see here, I'm just applying 1 coat, and then we're gonna go in and cure it with our little mini UV nail lamp. So once you do that, the surface is gonna be tacky. And now I'm just taking the cover tip, and we're just gonna put a couple dabs of this gel glue on the inside. All right, so you're just gonna press the cover tip down on your nail. Make sure it is straight before you cure. So what I like to do is kind of put it underneath the UV nail lamp just a little bit, kind of tease it a little bit, cure it a little bit, and then take it out and kind of make sure the nail isn't crooked. So if I needed to kind of shift it a little bit, I could do that because it's not cured all the way, and then go ahead and put it back underneath there. What you're gonna wanna avoid is bubbles. If you put enough gel glue, you shouldn't have bubbles. Sometimes I do create bubbles, and you can see here, I do have a little bubble on the side. So you just wanna try to avoid the bubbles, because the more bubbles you have, the easier your nail can pop off later. But I didn't have too much of that problem. Here are all the nails all put on here. And as you can see, I did my right hand, which is my dominant hand. I usually do not do my dominant hand in my videos, but I was super excited about this set, this almond shape. So I wanted to try it out on my dominant hand. And now I'm just gonna shape it up a little bit. You can see it's already in like the perfect shape. You really don't need to do too much shaping, honestly. There's just a little tab at the tip of the nail that I want to get rid of, that I just want to file off. So I'm just gently filing that off. And it didn't take much to file that off at all, and that's what I love about these nail tips. Okay, so styling the nails, I ended up doing a French look. Y'all already saw that in the beginning of the video, so I'm going to show you guys how I accomplished that. Here I am using Makart's plumper gel. This one is called Flattery, my go-to nude gel to use in nail art. And we're just going to do, I like to do one thin layer first, so I'm going to do one thin coat first on my nail. And then you can see here, I'm just going ahead and doing that to the rest of my nails. This polish is very translucent. You can see right through it. And I know a lot of people don't like that. So what I try to do is make that second layer of polish thicker than the first layer. So here you can see I'm adding a little bit more product on the nail so it's not as see-through, and then I'm going to go ahead and cure that afterwards, and I feel like that's pretty good for me. And as you can see in the background, I am using Makart's UV nail lamp, cordless UV nail lamp. If you want to check that out, you can check that out by clicking the link in my description. And if you use my code, you can get a little bit of money off of your purchase. So for the French, I'm going to be using Makart's nail liner gel, the white. And at first, we didn't start out with the French. I wanted to do some little V-cuts. So I started off with that, and as I kept going with the V-cut, I started to hate it more. So I ended up, as y'all already saw, we ended up with a French. But I'm just showing y'all my process of how I do things. Yo, I just kind of looped it right on along just to do a little French line. And I did have to end up doing 2 layers with this white. The first layer is a little spotty. So yeah, I had to go in with a second layer. Once I did that, we are good to go to the next step. Looking at the nails, I kind of wanted to do something different. I didn't want to leave it with the regular white French tip. So I thought, why not put a little shimmer to it? So we are going to go in with some chrome powder, and we're going to be using Madame Glam's chrome powder. I tried to look for a name for this specific color. They don't have a name to differentiate the different colors, unfortunately, well, that I can see. But this color is gorgeous. I honestly just went on and started rubbing that chrome powder on. And I'm really trying to avoid the nude area, so I don't get some chrome on the nude. But if you want to avoid getting chrome on the nude part, so you don't have to go back and clean it up, you can get some alcohol on a no lint pad and wipe it down. That way the sticky surface isn't there anymore. And then do your French, cure that, and then go ahead and rub on the chrome. And the chrome will not rub on the nude. It will only be on the white French area, which is the only sticky part. I really didn't have to do too much cleaning up afterwards, but this is how they look. I love how this chrome looks. It's giving unicorn vibes, most definitely. So we're gonna take it a step further and add some pearls. I got these pearls from Hobby Lobby, and I am going to be using Makart's rhinestone glue gel. And I just took a dotting tool and put a little dot of the rhinestone glue wherever I wanted my pearls to sit. And then I come back with a wax pencil, and I'm just gonna place the pearls where I put those dots of rhinestone glue. And then go ahead and cure that. I cured for about 30 seconds. And then I'm going to go back in and fill it in with some top coat. Now with the pearls, I've had these nails on for about a couple days now, and the pearls do chip off. I feel like just go ahead and put the top coat over the pearls. I went around the pearls with my top coat, as y'all can see, but I do encourage you to go ahead and put the top coat on top of the pearls. That way they don't chip off, because right now my pearls are super dull because they chipped off, because I've been washing my hands, of course, and doing things and whatever. So yeah. But after that, I am all done, and I decided to put the pearls on all my fingers. Of course, you can style these nail tips however you like. It's all up to you. Like, that's what's so neat about these nail tips, about this kit. I'm gonna give this kit a 10 out of 10, honestly. I didn't have to bring out my nail drill at all, so if you don't have a nail drill, this is perfect for you. I would say it's definitely worth it, and for the price, you can't beat it. Alright, so that's about everything. Love this kit. I do recommend it. I will have everything that I use in this video in my description down below. Like I said, most of everything will be on my Amazon storefront or on Makart. So make sure you go check those things out if you're interested. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're interested in content like this. I'm so sorry this video was a little late. Next week's video should be on time, so expect a video next Saturday. But yeah, that's all I said. Thank you guys for watching if you watched this far, and I will see you guys in next week's video.